Great, wonderful. So actually, when you think of Zoho, you think of technology as a service because part of that is what we call software as a service, right? Which means most of our products are cloud-based. Now, how do we think of the emerging markets? I mean, one of the things I spoke about is about reduce cost, right? Productivity, increase productivity, and flexibility, right? Access to use to work anywhere you are in the world. So if you're thinking of using our software, you're thinking of how you can scale your business so you can be here and be doing your business somewhere else, right? And then your team can be working from home and then your productivity is increasing. So the core of Zoho is actually for emerging businesses to scale, even big businesses as well too. So yeah. Okay, so one of the problems we are trying to solve with Zoho, any of our products, is data as well too, because we believe that data is very important. For you to scale your business, you need to have a data. You need to be able to make sense of that data and then make informed decision, right? So if you're using of our software, we are guaranteeing you that you have control over your data. You can use your data anyhow, any way you want to use it, right? And then you can actually scale your business. So it's not a challenge for us. We are helping businesses that have the challenge on how to utilize their data properly. When they come on board our platform, they can actually now make sense of their data. Number one, because when you think of any software, one thing I spoke about when you're looking for a software you want to use is the security and data privacy, right? And when you think of Zoho, you think of data privacy and data security. We have all the certification for you to trust us, and we continue to develop and build our infrastructure to update it to meet up with the latest trend, latest technology and capacity to save your data. So trust me, your data is safe. Black Friday clients, come on board Zoho and then we'll show you.
Okay. First and foremost, really, of course, you know that in this kind of magnitude of event, people's expectation ought to be high, and going by that, you find out that not just coming here and also, having one or two things to take home, in as much as the space, the data space is concerned. So everybody want to explore the space as you know, and also tech economy in collaboration with AfriTECH is going to go a long way, and we tech economy we also expect that this also put us on a pedestal of hitting it, and not just only hitting it, also becoming part and parcel of the entire globe as business is concerned digitally.
Ink Digital, the way we are built, we're a Pan-African company. So what we have set up as a Pan-African company basically is to offer digital solutions to customers. So what that entails is we build solutions in Africa for Africa. We have the expertise in country. In Nigeria, we are currently in over 16 other African countries and cities. So we're able to build that expertise in country. So we build our solutions in response to problems, challenges that we face as an emerging country, as Nigerians. We're currently in Nigeria, we're in Kenya, we're in Senegal, we're in Mozambique, Botswana. Do you understand? So all these countries, we try to gather data from all these countries and now build solutions that are similar and meets those requirements basically. As you mentioned, data is a problem in Nigeria. Data collection is a problem, so not just data. There's data everywhere, so how do you collect it? So, for example, we built an artificial intelligence solution that can recognize black people, that can recognize Africans, people with hijab and all of those things. So you do not have to, I'm not saying that the facial recognition solution out there does not work, but obviously there are glitches, we all understand that. But this one is built to recognize that, and we're able to recognize people so you can collect that data. For example, in your office, you will have a staff attendance management system. We built one for Africa, so it recognizes when you have dreadlocks. It's not just the straight hair and all of that. He recognizes dreadlocks as a human being and not as probably an animal or something. So yes.
The event is a very great event, and it gives you a new concept of thinking bigger beyond what we are seeing, what we saw last year. It's a very great event indeed. Basically, Notion Technology priority is removing the pains of equipment from our existing telecom engineer back then, where we are looking for how to source this equipment. Nation Technology generated the idea of bringing it home, and not just bringing it home, is also giving that support of maintenance. When you have equipment challenges, we give you that remote support of your equipment, your splicing machine, your OTDR. We are more of, we sell the brand Conway Technology, which is a Conway splicing machine, HSV, power meter, VF, any of the fiber telecom equipment, we give that support out. And we don't just give it out, we also give our clients the courage to believe that having that equipment is not just having it, we also follow them up on a monthly basis to check on them, to know if it is serving them right. And even some of them, the existing equipment they have that is having challenges, they even bring it back to us. Okay, if you can do this for us here, we know you can help us with this other one. Some that does not really have the capital to go and buy a new equipment, we give them those support technically to like repair it, and we are good, and the customer are really enjoying.